Really starting to wonder what I got myself into here. That's Lord Denning. He's going to be supervising my work today. My girlfriend has asked me to change her carpeted entryway stairs into hardwood with a few tools from the Toronto Tool Library. I'm going to give it a try. First, I've got to strip the carpet, sand down and prepare the surface, fill in any holes with wood filler, sand down again, paint the risers, then stain the steps, then put Varathane over the steps to seal them. We'll be staining the steps dark and we'll be painting the risers white. I should have seen that look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's fine. Outside, it doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing, heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse. So far, I have taken off all of the carpet, used wood filler to fill in any cracks and gaps. There were a ton of holes from nails and staples. We've taken care of all of those. Well, actually, no, I haven't. I'm halfway through doing that. Still a lot more to go, unfortunately. There's a lot of them. So here you can see the stairs. I have the carpet off, and I'm going to show you. This is the wood filler we're using. Varathane wood filler. It dries in about 2 hours and it's okay for staining and to be sanded. I'm gonna get back to it and finish with the last 6 steps of wood filler. We're always looking for something more. We're closer to the edge than never before. I can't believe this body's fine. Outside, it doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing, heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down when it's always being affected ground? We got time to make this right, but it's all we keep falling down. Why do we keep falling down when it's always being affected ground? We got time to make this right, but it's all we keep falling down. Didn't do things in the intended order that we had originally planned. No project plan survives engagement with the real world. And we decided that we were going to stain the steps before we painted the risers right here. We finished the staining on the steps, and we've also finished the Varathane sealant layer, and you can see there's quite a bit of stain dripping, so I'm glad that we did this as our first step. Now I'm going to take off all of this green tape. I'm going to reapply and cover each one of these steps with paper to protect it from the paint, and then we're just going to paint all these risers a nice white. We have a paint and primer in one. Moment of truth, see if our lines are nice and clean. If not, it's going to be a lot of hassle to clean up. I'm scared. Okay, not bad. Oh. Okay, not great, but not bad overall. Don't forget, before applying paint, to scuff the old paint so that the new paint will stick properly. We're using the 60 grit sanding block, and that should be enough to give us lots of adhesion.
Gonna take the tape off the stairs.